There are two Premier Inns close to Manchester Airport. The Premier Inn Runger Lane North, with 165 rooms, and separated by a car park that costs £14 extra per night. The Premier Inn Runger Lane South, with 195 rooms. The north side is more modern and has a self-service check-in but doesn't have Premier Plus rooms. Other options to get to the hotel are a shuttle bus at £5 a journey and walking. Walking took me about 25 minutes from Terminal 2. Here is the Thyme restaurant. Check out the breakfast later in this video. This was my first time in a Premier Plus room and I was very excited to try it out. I love the automatic lighting that comes on when you enter the room, especially the purple bathroom. Very stylish. Here it is, the Premier Inn colored bathroom. Turning the lights up, let's start the review. Premier Plus Room 516. Virtual visit. Here is my objective assessment.
Positive points.
Nespresso machine and water kettle for tea. Fridge in room. Complimentary water bottles. Complimentary chocolates. Big TV. Iron in room. Rainfall shower head. Faster ultimate Wi-Fi. Everything was new and in good condition. Very good sound insulation from the motorway.
Negative points.
Bathroom tap badly designed. Not enough space to wash your hands. Quite a distance from the airport, especially from Terminals 1 or 3. No phone to TV pairing. It's a bit crazy to think that not a single Premier Inn hotel in the whole of the UK has got phone pairing. It's like they are stuck in the 90s. There were two people at breakfast, but the young man still managed to clear my table while I was up getting coffee. I stayed in June 2025. The room including breakfast cost £67.99 British pounds, that was equivalent to around $90 US. The upgrade for a Premier Plus room cost £8 included in the mentioned price. One of the bottles is sparkling water and the other is still. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the rating I give to the hotel at the end of the video. Stylish armchair. I'm not quite sure why the two side tables aren't the same shape. As you can see, Premier Plus rooms even have artwork. I'm not quite sure what it was, but it was nice and colorful. If you are thinking of spending a night at Manchester Airport, click on the top right to see my review of the Ibis budget. Switching on the lights. The wonderful Rainfall showerhead. Baylis Harding is a luxury toiletries brand from the UK. But unlike most hotels where you have a shower gel and a shampoo, here both bottles are a combination of both, so you can simply choose which fragrance you prefer on that day. Here is the view from the window. It's not too bad. At least the motorway is hidden by the greenery. Here's the breakfast buffet. It's the traditional Premier Inn breakfast at £10.99 British pounds. Of course, it's not luxury, but it's a very decent breakfast for a great price. Cooked options. Cereals and fresh fruit. Fruit salad and yogurts. Juices. And finally, here is the breakfast room. So, would I recommend Premier Plus rooms? My answer is a resounding yes. My rating 4.3.